Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn how to solve a linear inequation in one variable, and we shall learn it by an example, and this example has four parts. So let us start solving these linear inequations with part 1. In part 1 we are given 3x minus 6 is less than equals to 0. And first of all we shall add plus 6 to both sides of this inequation, like this: 3x minus 6 plus 6 less than equals to plus 6. And we know that same number may be added or subtracted from both sides of an inequation without changing sign of inequality. So we did this step like this, and now we can cancel out this negative 6 with this positive 6. Then we get 3x less than equals to 6, and now we can divide both the sides by 3. Then it will be x less than equals to 2, and the rule is here that both sides of an inequation can be multiplied or divided by the same positive real number without changing the sign of inequality. And because of we divided it by the positive number, then we need not to reverse the sign of inequality. So we shall write the rules here. Same number can be added or subtracted from both sides of inequation without changing the sign of inequality. This is the rule of adding and subtracting a number from both the sides of an equation, and here we applied the rule that both the sides of an inequation can be multiplied or divided by the same positive real number by without changing the sign of inequality. So this is the rule which we applied in second step, and this is the rule we applied in this first step. And this is the solution of the given inequality, and we can represent it like this, actually by using number line. Suppose this is a number line and we have a point 2 on it, and because x is less than 2, then these all the points on this number line to negative infinity are the solution. And because x is equals to 2, then 2 is also included. 2 is also in the solution set of the given inequation. So we can also write the solution set of the given inequation like this: x belongs to the interval negative infinity to positive 2, and 2 is included. That's why we use this sign of a square bracket, and here we use a small bracket or parenthesis. So this is the solution of part 1, and now we can solve the second part. And in second part we are given an equation 6x plus 12 less than 0. Same as here, we can subtract the same number from both the sides of this inequation. Then it will be negative 6 plus 12 negative 12 less than negative 12. We can subtract the same number from both the sides of this inequation by without changing the sign of inequality. Then it will be negative 6 less than -12. And now we shall use another rule here, that is the sign of inequality is reversed when both the sides of an inequation are multiplied or divided by a negative number. So here we shall divide both the sides by -6, then it will be, and we shall divide by -6 both the sides, then this sign will reversed like this. Here is less than and here is greater than, and now we shall calculate it. Then it will be x greater than +2. So this is the solution of the given inequation, and we can represent it by a number line. Suppose this is a number line and here is a point 2 and x is greater than 2. This means all greater value than 2 are in the solution set of the given inequality, and this shows x greater than 2. And because x is not equals to 2, therefore 2 is not included. So we shall draw here an open circle and we shall write it x belongs to 2 to positive infinity, and because 2 is not included, so we use this sign of a small bracket. So this is the solution of the second part, and now we shall move to the third part. And in third part we are given an inequation 2x minus 12 greater than equals to 0, and we know that we can add the same number in both the sides of the given inequation. Then we can write it 2x minus 12 plus 12, and here is 0 plus 12. Then it will be 2x greater than equals to 12, and we can divide by the same number, by same positive number without changing the sign of inequality. Then it will be x is greater than equals to 6. So this is the solution of the given inequality, and we can represent it on number line like this. Here is a point 6, and because x is greater than 6, then all the numbers greater than 6 are in the set of the solution of the given inequality. So this shows x is greater than 6, and because x is equals to 6, therefore we shall place here a closed circle and write here a sign of equality, and we can write it x belongs to 6 and greater values. 6 is included, so we write the sign of square bracket here. And now we shall move to the last part, that is fourth part. And in fourth part we are given an inequation 6x plus 9 greater than 27, and we know that we can subtract the same number from both the sides of in equation 27 minus 9, and it will be 18. Here will be 6x. We can divide by the same number, same positive number without changing the sign of inequality. Then it will be x is greater than 3. So this is the solution, and we can also represent it by on number line. This is the point 3, and x is greater than 3, therefore all the values greater than 3 are in the solution set of the given inequation. Since x is not equals to 3, so we shall place here an open circle, and we can write it x belongs to the set of 3 to the interval 3 to positive infinity. So this is the solution of all four parts of the example. Thank you.